The Stoics said, live according to nature. What does that really mean? It's not about going back to caves or eating only plants. It's about understanding your true nature as a rational, social human being. Here's what it means. First, use reason. Use it. Don't let impulses, cravings, or outrage drive the wheel. Second, be social. Humans are built for community. Help, contribute, and cooperate. Isolation is a shortcut to suffering. Third, accept reality. Nature includes death, loss, and change. Fighting what is only creates extra pain. Fourth, virtue is natural. Being honest, brave, and fair is enforced. It's what you're designed for. So, today, live according to nature. Think before reacting. Connect with others. Accept what is, and act with character. Your nature is reason. Use it